Hey guys, it's Wishing Gamer 3 here. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be playing Vehicle Simulator, so let's get into it. And guys, if you like this back here, I'm just using a ratchet strap to hold it up. So you guys don't have to stare at the yellow wall behind me. Am I connected to internet? You guys can't probably hear me because I don't, how did that happen? I think somebody was in here. What the heck? How did that dang thing get tangled? Give me a minute, guys. So, you guys can't hear them. You guys better not call this copyright. Because all I would hear, guys, is... And guys, I'll try and download Minecraft Pocket Edition. "30 minutes is starting now." Yeah, guys, I'm kind of broke now. Guys, I was just trying to make another account, so I need new tires. Whoa, that's too shiny for me. Woohoo! Oh, while I'm over here, I can open crates. So you guys can only see my name. Oh no, guys, it's raining! Ooh, which color am I going to use? He roasted me. Hey guys, at least I'm trying. Oh! Owie! Guys, that kind of hurt. Ow! Can I get an ambulance? I'm probably gonna beat all these dudes. I probably need a new vehicle after I'm done. Ooh, I hope I race this dude. What? Oh, see you later, guys. Why did you have to interrupt me?